Hey, what is up guys, it's EarlyNoob here, and welcome back to another scripting tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a bounce pad in Roblox Studio. So first I'm going to add in your part, and you can customize it however you want, like I did. Once you've done that, you're going to want to add in a script and a configuration. And inside that configuration, you're going to add in a number value and name this bounce height, and you can put this to like, this is gonna be how high you bounce or whatever. I'll just put this at like 40 right now. So inside the script, this is what you're gonna want to type. You're gonna want to go script.Parent.Touched connect function hit. Then you want to go local hit equals hit.Parent FindFirstChild Humanoid. Then we want to go hit.JumpPower equals hit.JumpPower plus script.Parent configuration bounce height value, enter. Then you want to go script.Disabled equals true, and hit.Jump equals true, and wait 0.1. Then you want to go hit.JumpPower equals hit.JumpPower minus script.Parent configuration bounce height value. Then you're going to end off with script.Disabled equals false. So if we test this out in game, go to play here or wherever your bounce pad is. We're waiting. You can test it out. As you can see, we bounce. Whee. So guys, that is how we make a bounce pad in Roblox Studio. See ya.